This is a video to demonstrate how to use our new online public access catalog, Follett Destiny. This catalog can be accessed both at school and from any computer with internet connection. The first step is to open your internet browser. Google Chrome is the best, but you can use any internet browser that you prefer. From any home screen, you can type the address, which is harford.follettdestiny.com. On a Harford County Public School device, when you go to your home screen, it is actually a tile that says Follett Destiny. You will get to a screen that looks like this. The elementary schools are listed down the side. If you scroll down, you'll get to Magnolia Elementary School. This will take you to our school's catalog. If you're not logged in a Harford County device, you need to log in. Your login is your school username, which mine is Kim Wheeler, and then the extension is hcps.org. Your password is whatever you use to log into your school device. Once you log in, you'll get to the screen that looks like this. Your screen may look slightly different than mine. For example, you may not see back office or reports. The first thing you want to do is go to the catalog. You can search on this screen. It's not always the most accurate or user-friendly. So what I suggest is going over to the side and going to Destiny Discover. This is the catalog that students see when they log in. From here, on your home screen, you can see many different things. First, you see different categories. You can browse by topics and see materials that are available in our school library. You can also see popular titles that are available, both out of the library, which means a student has checked it out, and what is available in our library. You can see books that have been recently added to our collection. This will be extremely helpful when new book orders are coming in throughout the year. Also, just for your knowledge, we do have links to Harford County purchased databases. From here, to search for a book, you want to go up to the search bar, and you can search by title, author, or subject. So I'm going to start by showing a title. I know many teachers check out Know David by David Shannon. So I'm going to type in the title. You can see that it gives you suggestions of what you can type. Know David, and you want to press enter to go. And it takes you to a screen where you can get the call number where you can locate it on a shelf. This book is actually out of our library currently. The call number is here, E. Shannon, and you can go find it on the shelf. If you want to search for another book, you just go back up to the search bar and you can search another book. For example, you may be interested in a book on great white sharks. Again, it gives you those suggestions. Great white sharks, enter, and you can see what is available in our collection. If you're interested in putting a book on hold, it is as simple as clicking the hold button on the book's title. So hold, it's now held for you for 10 days. You can also search by author. So if you were doing a Patricia Polacco unit, you can type in Patricia Polacco, hit enter, and you can see all of the books we have available in our collection. If you're searching by subject, for example, you may be doing research or in your classroom or teaching a lesson on kindness. You can search kindness, and it will bring up any book that has kindness in the given description. And you can see all of the books that are available in our library's collection on kindness. The only other thing that may be helpful is the filter, which is located here. If you filter, it'll bring up different selections that you can use. For example, you can see availability, author, subject, genre, format. I would like to choose the Lexile, and I might like one that is a lower level Lexile if I'm in a lower grade. I've done that, and now it has brought up all the books that are a lower level Lexile connected to kindness in our library. Once you're finished, you can simply close this or leave it up on your screen.